Welcome back to EdPython. In this video, we're going to show the stock trading signal MACD. MACD is an abbreviation of Moving Average Convergence Divergence. MACD is one of the most popular technical indicators. The MACD has the ability for trend following and momentum forecasting. MACD is easy for interpretation and confirmation. MACD trading strategy uses two average systems, on 12 period and 126 period, along with a 9-day exponential moving average, also known as EMA. These averages produce a clear trading signals. Stock traders are using MACD when the 9-day EMA is crossed by the two moving averages line. In practice, MACD is used as part of multiple stock trade indicators like RSI and others. Okay. Time to show the Python code to get a better understanding of MACD. We start by importing the Python libraries. The next step is to import the stock historical data of AMD. The choice for AMD is arbitrary. Disclaimer: the material in this video is purely for educational purposes and should not be taken as professional investment advice. Invest at your own discretion. After importing the data, I always like to look at the data in a plot and check how this stock performs. For calculating the MACD signal lines, we're going to define a function including three calculations: the MACD line calculation, the signal line calculation, and the difference between the MACD and the signal value. For calculating the MACD, we're going to use the default values: the long-term EMA of 26 periods, the short-term EMA, 12 periods, and the 9-day EMA. By plotting the MACD line and the signal line, you're going to easily notice the buy moments and the sell moments. Also notice that there are also some crossovers that are really very close together, especially in a sideways movement of the plot MACD. It's not the best trade indicator and gives you too many signals for trading. MACD is often accompanied by a bar plot. This plot gives an excellent presentation when the stock price is bullish and where it's bearish. This is an example of Python code using stock trend analysis to generate trading signals. If you have ideas on how to improve the code, I'll be happy to change the code and publish this in a new video. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Like to see more examples of the stock trend analysis code? Please leave a comment below. If you like more videos about Python and Financial Time series, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.